Hey y'all, good afternoon. This is what God does us when He takes us through His spiritual car wash. We get car washed. He cleans us. He saturates us. He takes us through everything that we need to be stain free. Look at God. Look what God does. He scrubs us down, wets us up, puts the suds down on us, gets rid of all that stuff that we don't need in our life. And then he rinses us off, purifies us, even puts a tire shine on us, dries us off with His spiritual word. Isn't God good? Isn't God good? And it's for everybody, see? Everybody can get this. It's called salvation. And it's free. Yes, it's free. Isn't God good?